Hello student, in this lecture we are going to start further accounting terms. Number 19, depreciation. Depreciation means decrease. In simple word, depreciation means decrease in the value of asset due to variety of reason. Assets include furniture, machinery, computer. They are asset of the business, and the value of such assets going to be decreased every year due to use of such assets. So the decrease in value of asset is called depreciation. So depreciation means decrease. Every year the value of asset is reduced. Reduce means decrease by certain rate. Amount which is reduced is called depreciation. Understand? Depreciation is a non-cash expense of the business. Student, remember that expense means money spent from business. So in accounting, depreciation is also treated as an expense, but it is non-cash expense because no cash is paid for depreciation. Depreciation is recorded in the books of account as an expense, as a non-cash expense. Okay, next term, profit. Profit, very popular word of accounting, and the main object of business to earn profit, right? So profit means what? Profit means the excess of revenue incomes over revenue expenses of business. And profit or loss, profit can be determined at the end of the year. So after completion of 1 year, businessmen make record total incomes. Suppose total income of a business is rupees 1 lakh. Total income of business is rupees 1 lakh, and total expense of that particular year is rupees 70,000. Rupees 70,000 expenses. So difference is 30,000 rupees. This 30,000 rupees called profit. I understand. So profit means revenue income minus revenue expense. It is called profit. Number 21, loss. Loss is exactly inverse of profit. Loss means the excess of revenue expenses. Expenses more over revenue incomes of business. Sometimes it may be happen that total revenue incomes are less than total expenses, means expenses are more than revenue incomes. The difference is called loss. Let us take an example. Suppose revenue income of a business is 1 lakh, income 1 lakh, but revenue expense is 1,20,000. expense is 1,20,000 more than income. So answer is negative. Negative means 20,000 negative. This negative profit is called loss. So loss means negative profit, and sometimes this situation happen in the business. So I understand profit means income higher than expense, difference is called profit, and loss means expense higher than income, difference is called loss. Students, profit or loss is to be determined at the end of the year by preparing profit and loss account. Just for your kind information, profit and loss account is prepared to know profit or loss of the business. However, profit and loss account will be learned in detail in further chapter. Okay, next term is voucher. Voucher means what? Very simple. Voucher means document. Students, in accounting, transactions are recorded on the basis of voucher. That means the personal intents of accountant cannot be reflected in writing the books of account. Without voucher, transaction cannot be recorded. So voucher is a written document of business transaction. Business transactions are recorded on the basis of voucher. On the basis of voucher, right? Voucher is a written document. For example, purchase bill is a voucher for recording purchase in the books of account. Sales bill is a voucher for recording sales transaction. Next term, debit and credit. Students, debit and credit. Remember that the left hand side of an account is called debit, left side, and credit means right hand side of an account is called credit, right? But students, what is an account? What is an account? So account is a transaction. Account means transactions relating to person or assets are recorded at one place, and from where the summary of transactions of that person or asset can be obtained is called account. Let us prepare a format of account, right? Suppose this is furniture account. Furniture is an asset. So furniture account is divided into two parts, left side, right side. Students, left side of a furniture account, left side is known as debit side and right side is known as credit sides. So debit means left hand side of an account and credit means right hand side of an account. Clear? Left side debit, right side credit. Okay, now what is account? So transactions relating to persons or assets are recorded at one place. Transactions relating to furniture are recorded in furniture account at one place. All transactions relating to furniture recorded in furniture account. Furniture purchase recorded in furniture account. Furniture sale recorded in furniture account. Depreciation on furniture recorded in furniture account. So all types of transactions relating to one asset recorded at one place, from where the summary of transaction of that person or asset can be obtained. That means from furniture account, transaction summary of furniture related transactions can be obtained from furniture account. So this is meaning of account. Understand? So account means transaction related to one person assets are recorded at one place, from where the summary of transaction of that person or asset can be obtained. It is called an account. Okay, thank you.